Good day, good afternoon. This is Alex Haigh with eXp and the Haigh Group of the Treasure Coast. We're bringing you market update January 2018 to January 2019, Tri-County. Stay tuned. Okay, so remember, we're going 2019, 2018, and we're starting off with our beloved St. Lucie County. In 2018, it was 322 units. 2019 was 284 units, so that's down 11.8% in closed unit sales in St. Lucie County. Martin County, 2018, 141 units. In 2018, 2019 was 115 units. So we're down 18% in Martin County of closed units. And now, moving on to Palm Beach County, remember, a much larger county. 2018 was 1,103, and 2019 was 846, so they're down 23% in closed units. Now, paid in cash, as we always like to say, our mattress money, laundered money. Paid in cash in St. Lucie County was 97 units in 2018. And in 2019, it was 79, so they're down 18.6% January to January. Martin County was 61 units in 2018, it was 44 units in 2019, down 27%. Moving on to Palm Beach County. Palm Beach County, remember, a much larger county, 442 units closed in 2018. 2019 was 324, so they're down 26.9% in that month, January to January. Back to our beloved St. Lucie County, we have an average sale price, $226,955. In 2019, it was $238,309, so you're up 5%. So these numbers are wacky. I love it. So this is a crazy one. So we go, Martin County was 441,689, and then the average sale price closed in 2019 was 659,000. That's up 49%. So it obviously shows us that your average home price for your home did not go up 49%. Those numbers are a little bit anomalous. So, I don't know if that's a word, anomalous. Palm Beach County, we have 606,000 was the average sale price in 2018, and moving into 2019, it was 564,000, so that was down 6.8%. So moving back to St. Lucie County, we like to talk about our volume sold. So this is the amount of units and then the amount of dollars volume. Remember, we measure dollars in pallets, not in metric volume. And we have in St. Lucie County 73 million in volume in 2018. 2019 was 67 million in volume, so that's down 7.4%. These numbers show a little bit more clarity. So now moving on though to Martin County, in a dollar volume was 62,000 in 2018, but we had, this kind of goes along with that average sale price, we had a $75 million volume up. So there must have been some really larger sales to bring up that average sale price. That's up 21%. So moving on to Palm Beach County, again, much, much larger. 668 million was volume for 2018, and 2019 was 477. So that's down 27% in those pallets of money sold units. So moving on again to back to St. Lucie County, we have new listings. So this is the amount of new listings coming on the market. Was 756 in 2018. It was 785 in 2019. So that's up 3.8%. Moving on to Martin County, we had 306 units in 2018. 2019 was 386 units. So that's up 26% in the amount of properties coming on the market. All right, moving on to Palm Beach County, we had 2,344 units in 2018. It's 2,422 units in 2019, so that's up 4.2%. Okay, so now we're going to go to inventory. So this is the amount of active units on the market. St. Lucie County right now, the amount of units that were on sale in January was 1,748, and then in 2019 that was 2,174. You're up 24% in the amount of units coming on the market. So there's a lot more inventory for those buyers to look at. This is what's suppressing the numbers a little bit. Moving on to Martin County, 1,033 in January of 2018, and in 2019 it was 1,130. So you're up 9.4%. Again, these numbers are showing more properties coming on the market in all of these counties, including Palm Beach County, which was 7,384 in 2018, 2019, 8,069. So you're up 9.3%, almost 10% up in the amount of inventory. Now, remember, month supply of inventory is the last one. We use this to gauge whether we're in a buyer's market or a seller's market. People always ask me that. We are still in a neutral market in Port St. Lucie and St. Lucie County. You had, in 2018, 3.8 months of inventory. Remember, below a 3-month inventory is a seller's market. We moved up to 4.8 in 2019. That's up 26%. So we're moving much closer, more on the level of, we're still in a neutral market, but we're moving closer to a buyer's market in St. Lucie County. Now, in Martin County, we had 5 months of inventory in 2018. 2019, we had 5.7. That's up 14%. We're very close to that 6 months of inventory, which would indicate a buyer's market. Now, month supply of inventory in Palm Beach County, 5.1 months of inventory in 2019, 2018. 2019 was 5.6, so that's up 9.8%. So almost up 10% in amount of inventory and getting very close to that buyer's market above a 6-month inventory. Now, there's been a lot of talk about where things are going here in the market. Now, the last few months of 2018, the stock market went down by almost 20%, and they raised rates 4 times last year, the Fed did, and there was a little bit of fear, and we were really cooling off. We look at this as a cooling off. Now, moving in here, January, February, our agents have been very busy. The market has definitely heated up. Everybody is busy. But we'll see. So the Fed didn't raise in December, and we'll kind of see what happens with that. So stay tuned for our market analysis. If you want to know what your home is worth, please give us a call, text us, email us, smoke signals, and we're always here to help. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.